right. Apple's App Store is in the spotlight again this week as Twitter owner Elon Musk argues the company takes too large a cut of transactions on the platform. Should Tim Cook reduce Apple's App Store fees in a downturn? John Ford is here to weigh in. Hey, John.
Hey, Joe. Yes, Tim Cook should. It's inconvenient that Elon Musk is the one to bring this up in such a confrontational way, but this really would be a great time for Apple to reduce App Store fees. For those who don't remember, Apple charges a 15% fee on paid apps and in-app purchases for developers who make less than $1 million in a year, 30% on those that make more. There's a lower 15% fee also on subscriptions after the second year. And the reason why Tim Cook should cut fees here, well, inflation is making it more difficult for every business to run profitably, and that's got to be affecting digital businesses too. By showing some flexibility now, Apple can take itself out of the regulatory spotlight. And if he plays this right, Cook can instead put the spotlight on Google and Amazon, which have a tougher argument to make with their platform policies. In Google Search and the Amazon Marketplace, they're competing with third-party merchants for placement in the results. By lowering fees, Apple can turn the heat up on competitors. It's kind of like that joke about the two guys getting chased by a bear in the woods, and one stops to lace up his sneakers. The one says, "Why are you stopping? We have to outrun the bear." The first says, "I don't have to outrun the bear. I just have to outrun you."
That is probably true. Probably true. Didn't Apple just lower fees a couple of years ago? Now they got to do it again for Elon Musk.
Well, Joe. Yeah. On the other hand, Apple absolutely should not lower its App Store fees. The idea is absurd. It's as absurd as critics who try to say Apple's a monopoly when Android actually has higher market share. Here's an idea. If you don't want to pay Apple's App Store fees, don't sell on the App Store. Outside the digital world, you don't get to walk into a luxury storefront on Fifth Avenue and say, you know, the rent you're charging here is insane. I could set up on Canal Street for much cheaper. I demand you lower the rent, because the premium is the point. You go to Fifth Avenue for a high-end experience and genuine product. No one's forcing you to shop there. Apple's App Store is the same way. It's not Apple's fault they built a $1,000 smartphone a lot of people preferred to the $300 alternative, and an App Store on top of it where shoppers want to buy digital goods. The fact that it's popular doesn't mean you get to name your own price. Elon Musk tweeted Monday that Apple puts a secret 30% tax on App Store purchases. This revealed to the world that Apple must be really bad at keeping its own secrets, because 2 years and 2 weeks ago, on November 18, 2020, Apple put out a press release detailing its App Store fees, including who pays 30% and who pays 15%. They should just keep it there, Joe.
Could Apple get pressured into lowering prices anyway?
I mean, that's what some folks are trying to do and what they tried to do a couple years ago. But look, I mean, Apple's in this position where they're a premium provider at a time when supplies are getting crunched out of China, all kinds of things. If they just keep their message discipline, which they tend to be pretty good at, I don't think they're going to get too much pressure.
Did you hear anything about the meeting yesterday? It went well, from what we can tell. I said earlier I was pained to see these two great icons, and I think Tim has reached the icon stage at this point, which a lot of people thought wasn't possible after Steve Jobs. But can't we all just get along? Are they buddies again?
Buddies for a time, maybe. The attitude with all these big tech companies is somebody else's margin is my opportunity. Everybody's attacking everybody else's profit.
But do you think that they would take Twitter off the platform, really, given just how many people are on it and how many people use the Apple phone? I'm saying, would Apple really, I mean, unless something truly egregious were to take place?
I think it probably would take something egregious, because that's beyond a shot across the bow. That's just a shot.
Right.